Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mazda Mazda3 iSport. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, window defogger, MP3 player, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.